Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'll discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The euro-dollar pair could not find solid support this week. The Brexit issue still keeps market participants in suspense, which discourages buyers from robust activity. Hi Peter, could you please share your outlook on the most popular currency pair?
Hello dear traders. Since my previous forecast, the price of the euro-dollar basically went lower around 150 points since my bearish trading idea from last week, and I hope that you took a good pips on this one. Anyway, I don't see any stronger continuation on the downside at the moment because the euro-dollar is right now in the consolidation phase, and I found that there is a strong hidden bullish divergence on the stochastic oscillator, which is basically a sign that there is a exhaustion from the sellers, which may actually leave some good space for the further upward movement. At least I expect the price to correct the 50% of the previous downward move. So my advice is actually to watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair, and the first upward target is set at the price of 1.1475, and the second upward target is set at the price of 1.1560. Again, due to the potential exhaustion from the sellers, and there is a hidden bullish divergence on the oscillator, my advice is to watch for buying opportunities. Overall, the euro-dollar is still in the big consolidation phase, and the best thing to do is to actually trade leg by leg and swing by swing before we see any trend environment. So far, balanced environment overall in the market, so watch for buying opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.
Interestingly, another European currency, the pound sterling, proved to be firmer than the single European currency. Peter, would you please comment on the pound-dollar pair?
On the British pound versus US dollar, what I found basically is that the pound dollar did a big drop after a new announcement about the Brexit, but it recovered very fast and created some kind of V-shape. So it's a very strong sign that buyers are still present and that selling looks risky. So my advice is basically to watch for buying opportunities because of this reaction in the recent days. I found also the rising, the higher highs and higher lows, which confirming the short and mid-term strength. So watch for buying opportunities, and the upward target is set at the price of 1.3158. This bullish trading idea will be invalid if you see the breakout of the 1.2730, which is a key support, key short-term support on this currency pair. This will be the analysis for the pound dollar. I also found some rejections in the background from the key support in the pound dollar, which even adds more into the strength. So watch for buying opportunities on the British pound versus US dollar.
Would you please give us more recommendations on other currency pairs as well?
First, I want to start with the Euro New Zealand dollar just to update you relative to the previous week. I advise to watch for selling opportunities on Euro New Zealand dollar because they had a shoulders last week, and that idea worked perfectly, and price went exactly to the projection target, and that will be the profit around 200 pips. Now I'm neutral on this currency pair, so I will go and cover Australian New Zealand dollar. On Australian New Zealand dollar, what I found is basically that there is a I found the two channels. So I drew the Anju pitchfork channels, and I found that there is a broken smaller channel. There is a breakout of the resistance of that channel, which is confirmation that we are potentially seeing the transition from bearish to bullish. And I also found that from the larger channel, from the larger pitchfork channel, that there is a rejection from the medium line of that channel, which is a good sign. We got the confluence of these channels, which make this a very solid trading idea on the buy side. So watch for buying opportunities on Australian New Zealand dollar with the upward target at the price of 1.0725 and the 1.0800. This bullish trading idea will be invalid if the price go and trade below 1.0445. So watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Jakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading, and see you soon.